Expressing concern over the lack of debate in Parliament and state legislatures, Chief Justice of India N.V. Ramana Sunday said it is a sorry state of affairs as the absence of quality debate leaves many aspects of laws unclear and increases the burden on courts. He said that an elaborate discussion during the lawmaking process reduces litigation as when courts interrupt legislations. We all know the intent of the legislature. Speaking at the 75th Independence Day function organized by the Supreme Court Bar Association in the lawns of the top court, the Chief Justice exhorted the members of the legal fraternity to participate in public life and share their experience about laws. He said the country's long freedom struggle was led by lawyers. Whether it is Mahatma Gandhi or Babu Rajendra Prasad, they were legal luminaries who sacrificed their property, family, and life and led the movement. Most of the members of First Lok Sabha and Rajya Sabha were all lawyers and members from the legal fraternity. Unfortunately, we know what is happening now in the Parliament with respect to debate on laws, Chief Justice of India Ramana said in his address to the bar members. He said there used to be debates in Parliament on various constitutional amendments and how they will affect the people. Now it is a sorry state of affairs. There are a lot of gaps and a lot of ambiguity in the lawmaking process due to lack of debates. We don't know what the intent of the legislature is. We don't know for what purpose the laws are made. This causes great inconvenience to the people. This happens when members of the legal fraternity are not in the Parliament and state legislature, he added. The monsoon session of Parliament was short-terminated last week following days of relentless protest by the opposition over the Pegasus snooping row, farm laws, price rise and other issues. The CJI added the Supreme Court has played an active role in the country and has given more than what the Constitution has thought of. But he expects the legal fraternity to contribute more by not just confining to their profession, earning and living comfortably. At the outset, the Chief Justice said it is a historic day and an occasion for all to rethink and review the policies to understand what we have achieved and what we have to achieve in the future. 75 years is not a small period in the history of the country, but we have to also consider the vast landscape and geographical condition of our country, the CJI said, while recalling his childhood days when they were given jaggery and murmura in school on the occasion of Independence Day. Since then, a lot of development has taken place. Small things given to us in school made us very happy, but in today's time, when we have so many facilities, we are not happy. I think this is due to our saturation level, he said. Supreme Court Judges A.M. Khanwilkar and V. Ramasubramaniam were also present on the occasion, alongside several lawyers and members of the Supreme Court Bar Association. Solicitor General Tushar Mehta, who was also present on the occasion, said the Chief Justice of India is the Carter of Indian legal family and thus he doesn't wish to say anything more. India is a young democracy, and when we look around the neighboring countries and they call themselves democracy, and we all know how they have failed. In contrast, we have been able to sustain it the way it was envisioned by the framers of our constitution, Mehta said. The Chief Justice of India unfurled the national flag, after which the national anthem was played by a police band. News Desk, Kaumudi English.